Greetings traders, it's Wednesday, June 9th, 2021. We've got a TLT trade, a Treasury bond trade for you. We're looking at of course, TLT, which has a liquidity rank of 4 out of 4. And interestingly enough, it has a near zero correlation to the SPY. So it's anybody's game here, right? It's 50-50 whether or not if the market's going up, TLT goes with it, or the opposite. Kind of interesting. It has an IV rank of 11, which is low volatility. So that's why we're looking at our third long put vertical in a row. Now, I know TLT it's probably not going to get me lots of views. Not that I get lots of views on many of my videos. I'm very proud of my over 500 subscribers, but a very small percentage of my views come from my subscribers. So, thanks YouTube for sending me random viewers. I appreciate that. All right. Anyway, let's head on in and see what this trade looks like. Hi everybody, this is Option Theory and my name is Neil. Thank you so much for joining us. On screen here you can see we have our Monitor Activity and Positions tab open. You can see our humble portfolio here. We of course are using Thinkorswim and paper money. So stick around to the end, because if you're ready to take your learning beyond just watching videos and being an active learner, I'll tell you how you can join us. On the left here, let's take a quick look at the market health overnight here with the futures. We got volatility. Futures are up and volatility's up. Crude is up 0.2%. And we've got Russell and NASDAQ and S&P are basically unchanged. We got 0.1% up on Russell. Dow is little changed. Gold is down again. That's 2 days in a row. That's a bummer. Because we have a gold position on here that's probably slowly going back down to, only $8 in profit. Okay. And there's that random Twitter weirdo that we talked about yesterday. And here's our Weyerhaeuser. Somebody help me with the pronunciation on that one. This one here was a small profit. Yeah, that was yesterday's trade. If you caught that one there, maybe there's a card coming up across up there in case you wanted to check out that one. All right, let's go on over to the charts, take a look at TLT's chart. We can see we've been on a very much downward trend. We bounced back up from a low, and we've been very neutral, if you would, here, right? We had another big dip, and we've come back and recovered from that. Now, the email that we got from Tasty Trade, stay to the end. We'll tell you how to get those. That's a key part of being active learners with us, right? They mentioned it being at a high again, I guess, in this recent range. Right, we're near an upper band. So that could indicate an opportunity to be bearish, which we're going to do. We're going to position ourselves to be bearish. Let's take a look at that trade. Go to the Analyze tab, go to Add Simulated Trade, and twirl open your July 23rd weekly expirations, which as of today, remember today's June 9th, is 44 days to expiration. We're going to be buying the 142 put, and we're going to be selling. I'm going to hold down the control key now, and I'm going to click on the bid for the 140, and that buys us. It makes it a debit, vertical, one contract, $2 wide. Paying $1.10 means we could make $90 on this one, right? How do I know that real fast? Because it's $2 wide. Take $1.10 from $2, and that's your max profit. Now that we know all of the details, we know how to build the trade, let's check out our risk profile to understand our probabilities. So here we can go ahead and set the date in the top right corner to the same date you see in the bottom left corner in turquoise, right? There it is, 7/24. So let's go to July 24th. Let's drag out our x-axis here so we can see our expected move, take up most of the screen, and let's get this gold price slice exactly where the turquoise crosses the 0 or break-even point. To do that with the help of the computer, I'm going to click on the menu here and choose Set Slices to break even and choose July 24th. So we're looking at a 53, almost 54% probability of ending up on or to the left of this line. We'll call that a 53. I'm going to round down. 53% probability of profit at expiration. That's fantastic. I'll take that on a long, like anytime I'm over 50 on this for a long vertical, then I'm thrilled. Now, We understand that. Let's right-click our trade, choose confirm and send, review our max profit and our max loss. We already said 90. Max loss is $1.10 here, or $110. That's how much risk you're putting on the table with a 53, almost 50. Well, look, it's already down to 53. So the bonds, where is it, ZN here, the Treasury, I believe we're looking at a slightly up move here, which would be against us. We don't want this to go up. All right, now that we've seen that, let's go ahead and hit send. That puts that into our working orders. And if you've made it this far into the video, this is where you have earned a thumbs up. Thank you so much. I do appreciate that you watched to the end of the videos. If you're new here and you wanted to stick around and move your learning from passive to active, let's tell you how to do that. Step number 1, you want to go to the description box and sign up for the Tasty Trades Cherry Bomb email list. That's where today's trade idea came from. We get them in our inbox 4 days a week with a motivational Monday email as well. So 5 emails, none of them are selling you anything. There's no links to buy anything, just links to watch Tasty Trade. And that's good. You should watch Tasty Trade. I love it if you also watch me. So when you're done signing up for that Cherry Bomb list, though, would you come on back and hit the subscribe button and ring the bell? Because we do these videos at least 4 days a week, and you can do them with us. If you're new and you really want to get active, you got to get this simulated trader. I call it the flight simulator. You want to learn to fly, you got to get in the cockpit. You got to grab the stick or the yoke or whatever they call it, and then you got to go for it, right? So there's a playlist in the description below that'll also help you get started with Thinkorswim. So thank you so much for your views, and I look forward to seeing you in tomorrow's Cherry Bomb. Until then, everyone, may the market be with you.